How to fix the no signal or black screen issue on your Amazon Fire Stick. Hello everyone and welcome back. If your Amazon Fire Stick shows no signal or black screen, you are in the correct place. Some of the best solution to fix this problem is Method 1. Check for the power source. Ensure that your Fire Stick is connected to the constant power source using a bundled adapter. Check the power source and make sure it's switched on. If there's any loose connection, you won't get a reliable signal. Power off the TV, unplug it from the wall outlet, and unplug the Fire Stick. Wait for a few seconds and then plug everything back in and check if the issue is fixed. Likewise, for the method 2, you have to check HDMI cables and ports. Ensure it is firmly connected to the port and not damaged. You can also try using a different HDMI port. Use the original HDMI cable, then came back with the Fire Stick. After that, you can switch to the correct HDMI source using your TV remote as well. Method 3 would be checking the input source. Verify which HDMI port the Fire Stick is connected to. Using your TV remote, set it to correct HDMI source and you should be good to go. Likewise, you have to check for the Amazon Fire Stick reboot option as well. For this, turn off the TV and remove the HDMI stick from the port. Disconnect the Fire Stick from its power source and wait around for 10 to 15 minutes. Turn on the TV, reconnect the stick and press on the button on the remote. Sometimes it could also be an internet connection issue, so in that case, move the Fire Stick closer to the router and use an Amazon Ethernet adapter as well. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.